This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller on Warzone Mobile. First, make sure your PlayStation 4 controller has enough battery life. Next, open your mobile device's settings and turn on Bluetooth. To put your controller into pairing mode, simultaneously press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button for about 3 seconds until the light bar flashes. Finally, select the DualShock 4 wireless controller from the list of available devices on your phone. Once your controller is connected, launch Warzone Mobile. From the main menu, tap on the settings icon, usually found in the top right corner. Within the settings, you'll find a dedicated controller section. Here, you can fine-tune your experience. Adjust button mapping to suit your playstyle, modify aiming sensitivity for precision, and even invert controls if that's what you prefer. Take a few moments to set these up for optimal gameplay. To truly master Warzone Mobile with your PlayStation 4 controller, practice is key. Spend some time in the game's training grounds to get a feel for the controls and your customized settings. Don't be afraid to experiment with different sensitivity levels. Finding your sweet spot can significantly improve your aim and reaction time. For extended play sessions, a phone mount can provide a much more comfortable and ergonomic setup, reducing hand fatigue. Encountering issues? Don't worry, here are some quick troubleshooting tips. If your controller isn't connecting, try restarting both your mobile device and the PlayStation 4 controller. Make sure there are no other active Bluetooth devices nearby that could cause interference. Also, check for any available software updates for your phone, as these often include Bluetooth stability improvements. If the controller frequently disconnects, simply unpair and then repair it to your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.